Well, there you go. A lot of work in progress. Caboose has been wrecked, aka my grandson's. I need to fix that, so that's why it's on a flat car. So everything else is looking good and working good. So thank you, Jim from Titan Trains. I continue to have good results with him, and I'll continue to buy more and more. Thank you once again. I'm gonna end up buying the Lionel Caboose, the same scheme, the Lionel Gondola, the Lionel, I think it's a cattle car, all the Lionel stuff, and actually all the war bonnet stuff. That's what I'm gonna end up buying. So one thing at a time. So talk to y'all later. Bye.